To watch a YouTube video on your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is easy. You're going to start by navigating to the app screen and then look for the Samsung Internet app and launch it. If you don't have it installed, go ahead and navigate to the Google Play Store and install it from there. Now, once it's been installed and you've opened it up, under bookmarks, you should be able to see the option YouTube. If not, you can go ahead and use the search function and look for YouTube, and go ahead and select it. Now, as this is going to be your first time opening up YouTube on the watch itself, you may need to give some necessary permissions, agree to privacy policies, user agreements, and all sorts of things. So go ahead and do that. And once you do that, you can now start using YouTube to watch any video that you want. So let's say, for example, I search for a specific channel or even a specific video. And then, say, for example, you want to watch a video or even a YouTube short, you can go ahead and select any of those options. And after a few moments, it should start playing on your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.